Hello everyone, this is Altaf. Today we are going to learn more interesting programming language, that is Java. What is Java? Java is very simple, high level, secured, platform independent programming language. You may ask, we have a C++ programming language. What is the need of Java? With the help of Java, you can make a internet application. However, by using C and C++, you can make only a standalone application like calculator. Let's move to the agenda. So agenda for today's session is, first I will give you a brief idea about Java history, then difference between Java and others programming language, after that Java features, and last Java programming format. So Java history. Java was developed by James Gosling in Sun Microsystems in 1990s. For what? For developing internet application. And the first version was released in January 1996. So how the Java is differ from other programming language? For that, let me show you a survey done by a company. That is, let me open. Yeah. So as you can see, the Java is the first programming language in August 2019, but now in 2020 it is second. According to this is your month wise, in month August month. So the Java C is on top, but you can't make the internet application by using a C. So for that we use Java application, Java, and most of the company uses Java. Let's move to the down. So this is your survey done by, this is for Java. At the top, sometime C overlap. Yeah, in 2020 the top programming language is Java. So let's back to our slide, guys. Technologies uses Java, mainly Netflix, LinkedIn, Google, Capital One, Amazon, Spotify, and many more uses technology Java. Next, we have a features of Java. So first features is object oriented. Object oriented means there we use object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. What are the programming language use this concept? That programming language is called as object oriented. We will see this all term in our further video. So Java is object oriented. Java is simple. Yeah, Java is simple because in C and C++ we uses pointer, but now they remove the pointer in Java. So Java is simple, Java is secure. Yeah, Java is very much secure. And platform independent. Platform independent means if you run right, there is a term WORA, WORA, means write once and run anywhere. It's not dependent on any platform. And robust. Java is the very much robust because it uses exception handling and second memory allocation. Exception handling means it catches the error at runtime, and after that they handle it. And it also, for memory management, it collect the garbage. And portable. Java is very much portable, and portable means you can write in one operating system and run in other operating system. Architecture neutral. Architecture neutral means compiled in one architecture and the compiled program run in another architecture. Next, dynamic. Java is a dynamic because it allocates the memory at runtime and interpreted. For this one we use a JVM, Java virtual machine. What it does is, first we write a program, then it convert into the bytecode, and the bytecode, then after that it convert into the machine language and high performance. Yeah, Java is very good high performance. If you compare with Python is a little bit slow, but Java is fast. Multi-threaded means in Java we there is a concept multi-threaded means we can run various thread and we can store we can also save the memory. And distributed means we can develop a number of distributed application using Java. And what is the Java program format? So for that, let me show you the C language program format. If you know the C language, it's okay. If you don't, then it's very good to make a first language as Java language. So in C we have a header file, and then after that a function, and then a statement. However, in Java language we have a package, sub package, class, methods, and a statement. All this topic we will see in the further video, and there is a separate chapter for it: packages, classes, and methods. All these things we will see in the next video. So hope you enjoy this video. Please like this video. Thank you for watching.